One day, a student named Ankit was watching reels on his mobile. Every 5 to 10 seconds, a new reel would play, some funny, some emotional, and some motivational. From morning till night, time flew by, and Ankit didn't even realize it. His homework was incomplete, his studies pending, and the only result of his day's effort was wasted time. One day, Ankit's father noticed that he was always glued to his phone. Smiling, his father asked, "Son, what are you watching?" Ankit replied, "Reels, Dad." Everyone watches them. They're very entertaining. Hearing this, his father shared a story. Once upon a time, there was a king who received a magical mirror. In that mirror, he could see all the happiness in his life. But gradually, the king became so engrossed in the mirror that he forgot to live his real life. He neither cared for his kingdom nor his family. Eventually, he realized he had neglected his responsibilities, but by then, it was too late. Ankit thought deeply about the story. He said to himself, "Reels are just like that magical mirror. Watching them constantly is pulling me away from real life and my responsibilities." That day, Ankit decided to use his time more wisely. This story teaches us that true happiness and success come only when we work in the right direction and use our time wisely.